Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to remove Vauxhall Astra MK6 diesel engine mount bracket. In order to access the mount bracket, you need to remove the air filter housing. I will add the link either in the description or at the side of this video. Before removing any bolt, you need to support the engine by either using engine support beam or a jack at engine jacking point. Now using 15mm ratchet, remove the bolts. There are 9 bolts and 1 nut. The middle bolts connects the two mounts together. The left mount is bolted to the chassis whilst the right mount is bolted to the engine. To diagnose an engine mount bracket problem, look for signs like excessive engine vibration, noticeable clunking or knocking sounds from the engine bay, visible engine movement especially during acceleration or braking, unusual engine noise, misalignment of the engine, and potential cracks or damage on the mount brackets during a visual inspection. Once the bolts are loosened, they can be removed by hand. Once all the bolts on the engine component is removed, you can remove the mount by lowering the support beam and sliding it through, but it is best to replace both sides. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.